If you want to create a database icon in Figma quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to find and insert a database icon using a free plugin, so you can add clean, professional icons to your designs in just a few clicks. Whether you're working on a dashboard, a website mockup, or an app interface, this is a super simple workflow that saves time and keeps your design process moving. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more fast Figma tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Figma and make sure you're in the design workspace. Once your file is open, look down to the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of useful tools, plugins, and quick commands, so it's the perfect place to start. After you click Actions, choose Plugins and Widgets from the menu. This will open up Figma's plugin search area, where you can access thousands of useful design tools. In the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is one of the most popular icon plugins for Figma because it gives you access to a huge library of icons from different styles and categories, all in one place. Once you see it in the results, click to run the plugin. Now, the Iconify panel will appear inside your design file. At this point, you can use the search bar inside the plugin to look for database. Press enter, and the plugin will show you a list of database icons you can choose from. You'll usually see several variations, so take a moment to browse through the options and find the one that fits your project best. Some icons may look more simple and minimal, while others may have a more detailed or outlined style. Once you've found the one you want, just drag and drop it directly onto your canvas. You can place it wherever you need it, then resize it, recolor it, or align it with the rest of your design elements. That's the beauty of using a plugin like Iconify inside Figma. It makes the whole process fast, flexible, and beginner-friendly. And that's it. You've now created a database icon in Figma using Iconify in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.